Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am finally back to filming. It feels so good. If you have been following my channel, you know that I have been unwell for a while, and thanks to you all, your lovely wishes, I am much better. I also want to thank you all क्योंकि आपने इतने अच्छे sweet messages दिए हैं. You all have been so kind and patient throughout this period. And मैं content नहीं डाल रही थी, but still you have been so supportive and nice. So thank you so much guys. Your wishes really mean a lot to me. आज की वीडियो में मैं vlog करने वाली हूँ. तो मुझे काफी टाइम से ना एक पूरा हेयर मेकओवर करना था. टुडे इज माय अपॉइंटमेंट फॉर द सेम. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द कट एंड एवरीथिंग. आई एम अज्यूमिंग इट्स गोइंग टू टेक मी एटलीस्ट 5 hours. I'm packing my lunch and I will be showing you all the entire process. Let's get started. So guys, I'm at the studio, Beena Punjani Hair Studio, Panjim, Goa, at their Panjim branch, and that's where I'm going to do my hair transformation today. So let's go. Giselle is doing my hair today at Beena Punjani Hair Studio.
Am I here or you want to see?
No.
Yeah, something which changed my face.
Now the last time I cleaned and I discussed with Beena.
She asked me to go for copper. So I have not done copper before, but I don't want it to look anywhere close like this. Do you want this to go? I want it to go here. It should look totally different.
She'll be doing a strand test and I'll have to wait for 20 minutes for that. Plus I want to do a global color, all in copper tones, so I'm really excited. Let's get started. So we have applied the color for the test. So we are going to wait for 20 minutes now and then I'm going to decide which of the two I want to go for. Carrying a little snack का डब्बा, मम्मी के हाथ से काजू बर्फी, काजू कतली. Is it going to look a bit orangish, like right here? I don't want it to look orange or like this looks really orange in daylight. With this color, and I'm happy I don't have to bleach. So it's less damaging to my hair compared to when you do colors like blondes or ash, where you have to bleach.
One hour later. 2 hours later. Six and a half hours later. Many months later. One eternity later.
So the highlights, global and root touch up, all is applied. Great. We सब color तो apply हो चुका है. Now to wait for 45 minutes with this color on. तो अब मैं करने वाली हूँ lunch and then I'm going to answer your questions. So this is my lunch for today. मैं घर से थोड़ा cabbage rice बना के लाई थी and that's what I want to eat. Shivani's ordered prawns pulao from Swiggy. Let's get to eat. I know I'm looking super crazy, but I just got done with lunch and I'm going to be answering your questions now. तो पहले मैं ना यहाँ का view दिखा देती हूँ आपको. काफ़ी अच्छा view है from the salon. So we are starting off with the YouTube questions first.
Usually, how many hours in a day do you dedicate for YouTube content creation?
There is no specific time. मतलब content के चक्कर में ना बहुत time चला जाता है. So खाना पीना वगैरह is very secondary. On days when I'm filming, so easily it takes me at least minimum 5 hours
In a day.
in a day.
Is there any skincare routine you follow? And also how responsible you feel when you make your content as your followers are increasing?
Skincare routine currently I haven't been following because I was sick. तो mood नहीं आता था कुछ करने का. But I will be getting back to skincare. I will share it with you all. And responsible, yes, I'm very genuine and very open and honest with my audience. If I like something, I will actually say it. If I don't like it, I won't. In fact, हम बहुत सारे collaborations लेते भी नहीं है because we don't believe in the product or the brand. So yes, it is very important to be responsible also because my audience is good.
What were your expectations and your fears when you started this channel 5 years back? Also, can you describe your YouTube journey in one word?
Okay, I had no expectations. I have expectations now to reach 1 lakh subscribers soon, which will happen if you guys subscribe. 70% of my audience, of my viewers are not my subscribers, so please subscribe कर दो. And fear तो ऐसा नहीं है यार. It's all started with passion, so fear तो नहीं है. I mean, yeah, nothing like that. And one word मैं कैसे describe करूँ? Go glam.
को वेस्टर्न लुक कैरी करना ज्यादा पसंद है या फिर इंडियन? आई मीन एथनिक.
इंडियन माई कॉन्टेंट स्पीक फॉर इट. मुझे बचपन से इंडियन कपड़ों में बहुत ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी थी. नॉट दैट आई डोंट लाइक वेस्टर्न. आई डू वेयर क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स ऑन माई नॉन वीडियो डेज, बट या माई हार्ट इज विद एथनिक वेयर.
It's about your family, your qualifications, etc.
If you all have not seen this before, मैंने एक पूरा वीडियो बनाया हुआ है talking about myself, तो I will add that link below, वो देख लेना.
How do you style clothes on daily basis?
डेली बेसिस पे आई हार्डली डू एनी स्टाइलिंग ऑनेस्टली गाइज, क्योंकि मेरा कपड़ इतना मेस्टअप रहता है ना कि जो सामने पड़ा रहता है एक्चुअली पिक दैट अप. तो नॉट वेरी स्टाइल्ड क्लोथ्स. जो भी मिलता है इजीली आई जस्ट पिक इट अप एंड वेयर इट. सो मोस्टली इट्स लाइक kurtas with jeans or kurtas with leggings. That's my comfy wear. Okay, now moving on to some Insta questions because I have to quickly go for my hair wash. तो जल्दी मैं थोड़े क्वेश्चन आंसर करने वाली हूँ. Also, I had a very interesting question asking me what's in my bag. I wanted to do it in this video, but बहुत कुछ हो जाता है इस एक वीडियो में. I will be keeping that for later.
Who is your inspiration for fashion and styling?
I don't know. I don't have any inspiration as such. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं inspire होके कुछ खरीदती हूँ या नहीं. But if I have to talk about a creator who inspires me a lot in terms of fashion, जिनका I really like the fashion sense is Masumi Namura.
Temple jewelry, where should I buy from?
Oh my God! If you follow my content, you wouldn't be asking me this question. इतने सारे videos हैं on my channel showcasing some lovely South Indian jewelry brands. So I will link them below. देख लेना.
Any shops you would recommend to buy an outfit for friends' engagement in Panjim?
In Panjim, if you visit Panjim Goa, you can check out Safa store. They can customize some lovely outfits from fabrics that they have. I recently discovered this store in Panjim called Roo, which has some really good sarees if you are into sarees. Honestly, I am not very fan of shops in Panjim for engagement stuff. Yeah, for function wear.
Tell me something unique about the place where you spent your childhood.
where I spent my childhood, my mommy land. Unique is, I'm like सब कुछ unique है यार. घर के बारे में क्या बोलूँ तो unique ना हो. Everything for me is unique. I think being around a lot of plants and trees, birds chirping early morning, that beautiful sound of birds chirping just makes you feel so nice.
Considering you already stay in Goa, what's your favorite holiday destination in India?
Consider that I already stay in Goa. My favorite Indian holiday destination has to be Rajasthan. I honestly love that place. I can go there any number of times. Apart from that, it has to be Kashmir.
Where do you take your hair accessories?
From where do I take my hair accessories? Like what? What have I worn? By the way, guys, आप लोग काफी बार ये पूछते हो, the gajra in my videos is always real gajra. It's not fake. It's not a hair accessory. वो real gajra है, real फूल है. तो हाँ.
What thought process you put while choosing an outfit, jewelry, and styling it? Love your work. I don't know.
Thank you so much. Thought process. Oh my God, how do I explain? It's not possible to explain. मतलब, I'm a very simple person by nature, so I like simple outfits. I like simple styling of outfits. So that's what you see in my content. So that is what it is. But yeah, it's very difficult to explain.
What camera do you use for shooting and which app for editing?
So what camera do I use for shooting? I use Sony Alpha. I forgot the name. Very good. I forgot the name. 6200 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 6200. And for my vlogging, I use an Osmo Action camera. For editing, I have Netflix.
And the last question is, how was your Diwali? Did you buy anything new? Also, Padwa gift from hubby.
So my Diwali, if you have been following me for a while, you know that I had been sick. I was sick even during Diwali. I barely had any energy. तो नया तो खरीद के रखा था, बट दिवाली के लिए नहीं खरीदा था. तो मैंने जो था वो पहन लिया. एंड पाडवा गिफ्ट फ्रॉम हबी इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गाइस. उसको मैं ना किसी दूसरे वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी या फिर इस वीडियो के एंड में आपको दिखाऊंगी व्हाट ही गिफ्टेड मी. सो वेट फॉर इट. Yeah, so that's it for the questions. Now let's get to my hair wash. It's time for wash.
How are you feeling?
Anxious because I'm not going to see the result till the whole hairstyle is ready. So only once the whole hairstyle is ready, only then I will be seeing myself in the mirror. So maybe suspense में रहूँगी along with you guys. But anxious.
Love it. Honestly love it.
Wow, this is a makeover. Yeah. I love this. It's looking so nice. It's not looking orange at all. It's not orange at all. I love this. I love the length also. Yes, all that blonde is gone. I'm so happy. Does a great job. I loved it. What a color! I'm loving it. Guys, this is seriously so beautiful. Make it look so much better in natural light. I am loving this. So worth the time, the effort, and suspense was worth it. It looks so good. I'm loving it. It looks so much more healthier. मतलब वो blonde की वजह से it was looking so dry, especially ends में, and now it looks so good. Best part is I did not have to bleach my hair to get this color. And it's really so pretty. I'm loving the copper tones. I didn't know I would love this so much. I'm happy. Look very happy. Oh my god, this looks stunning. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. I thoroughly enjoyed vlogging this entire day. I hope you all had fun too. I hope you all liked this video. If you all did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I highly recommend you guys to visit the Veena Punjani Hair Studio in Goa for all your hair needs. If you're planning a visit to Goa, you want to get something for your hair done, do come here. If you're getting your color done, do ask for Giselle here because she did a fab job with my hair. I absolutely love it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye.